Hi everybody, so come let's look at the house today. Alright. So this is a 2+1 bedroom, 829 square feet unit in Paradesa, Tropica. So this side is the living room. And then you can put your dining table down here. So when you go straight all the way is the kitchen with a countertop and a fridge. So after that, next, you walk in this way, you have a master bedroom with a swimming pool view and also an ensuite bathroom. And then now, the second room is on this side. Yeah, you can fit a single or queen bed with also a window for extra lighting and ventilation. Okay, and then you have the common bathroom on the left. Which is very spacious and shower and water heater, and also a spare room to keep your store and all your other items. So that's why they call it a 2+1 bedroom. Yeah. So finally, at the end, on the right side here is the countertop. See, it's very spacious. This one has been done by the owner. You've got a fridge that you can open this way. It doesn't block the road. And lastly, you have a yard down here, again with windows and lighting, ventilation. You can put your washing machine and also hang your clothes all in the same place. And if you don't want, you can just close the door. Alright, so in general, the whole house is actually very nice, very comfortable. So this brings an end to the whole video of this house. Just to recap, the house is a 2+1 bedroom, 829 square feet unit with one car park. If you like this house, give us a call and we can arrange a viewing, we can discuss further. So thank you for watching. Bye everyone.